Pagin guys, so nagbabalik tayo guys. So ayan, nandito tayo sa Kidis. So ayan guys, so maraming mga pagkain dito guys. So may gourmet hot dogs guys. So may Ferris wheel din guys. So may mga rides dito guys. So gusto ko yung rides na yung kukunin yung kaluluwa ko, no? Yung Ferris wheel guys. So may kumakanta dito guys. So
Roy Orbison, Pretty Woman.
ayan guys, no? Yan yung kumanta guys. Ayan guys, may lemonade, may strawberry,
Local legend
My-
Dean Brody went to Nate.
ayan guys, no?
I'm from the country. You're from
Maraming
the
rides
city.
dito guys.
I
So,
drive a
dami.
truck.
Nakakatakam guys, buti na lang. Oy, nandito rin pala yung ano guys,
I know
yung
you'd like to
nasa
see
Pilipinas.
that ride. Oh, that's
So
right.
ayan guys, no? Maraming magiging dito. Pero mas loyal ako sa pagkukuha ko.
Hugger the
So
sun.
ayan guys, no?
Little bottle rocket. There's a finger on her lips and a swagger in her hips tonight.
So, maganda yung
And I said, hey, I want you, girl. You make my heart flutter like a teal to her. Get me freaky on the floor, feel that rolling sound.
ayan guys, maganda yung boses. No? Ayan guys, no?
I'm wearing camo. Y'all have some
Ayan guys, no?
This party's raging. Do I wanna dance? All my buddies.
Ayan guys, no? So, ayan guys, no? Maganda yung mga ride. Pero mas maganda talaga yung ride sa Pilipinas guys. So may kapareha dito sa Pilipinas guys, no? Yung ganyan yung kabayo. So iwan ko ba kung may ano tawag ito, yung perya, yung parang color game sa Pilipinas guys. So ayan guys, no? Maraming pareho dito sa North American Midway Entertainment guys, no? Ayan guys, no? Tickets, buy or reload here. So maraming rides dito guys, no? So yan guys. So pasensya na, likod yung camera ko guys. So may corn dogs din dito guys. So may deep fried ice cream. Ano yan? Fried rice. So ayan guys, no? So, maraming mga tao dito guys. So ayan guys, no? So may washroom dito guys. So yan guys, ano bang sakyan natin na guys? So size, weight, so yung timbang ko, no, pasok na naman dito, no. So 58, so rides have minimum height requirement. Please measure your child. So siguro nasa 58 ako, no. Ewan ko kung 58 ko.
You're exactly 48 inches, 4 feet. Italia, you are 58 on the top.
So, ewan ko kung pwede ako dito. So, saan ba itong ride? So, parang pang bata ito guys. Hindi naman ako bata guys. So, may mascot din dito guys, no? So, sayang kung nandito yung pinsan kong babae at pamangkin kong babae. So, ayan guys, no? So, ayan. So, parang hindi ako pwede dito. Ano ba ito? Yung rides is... Ano ko ba? Ito yung Ferris wheel na rides guys. Para... maging lalaki talaga ako guys. No, so ayan na muna yun guys. So, update ko lang kayo. So, pag-subscribe sa YouTube channel na Aaron Caralde at huwag kalimutang pinutin ang notification bell na all para updated kayo lagi sa aking mga vlog, no? So, ayan naman na ngayon, guys. Have a wonderful day and have a nice day. Keep safe and I'll see you for my next vlog. Peace out. Bye-bye. Power!